Good morning, Ma'am Monique. Let's talk about the three law of motion. Who discovered the three law of motion? Let's talk about Isaac Newton. Isaac Newton, in full name Sir Isaac Newton, born December 25, 1642. English physician and mathematician who was the culminating figure of the scientific revolution of the 7th century. In topic, his discovery of the composition of white light integrated the phenomena of colors into the science of light and laid the foundation for modern physical option in mathematician. This three law of motion, the basic principle of modern physics, result in the formulation of the law of universal gravitational. In mathematics, he was the original discoverer of the infinitesimal calculus, Newton Bellissima Natural Bellissima. So I will show Isaac Newton. So, what is the first law? The first law of inertia, also called the Newton first law, postulate in the physics that if a body is at rest or moving at the constant speed in the straight line, it will remain at rest or keep moving in the straight line at consist speed unless it act upon by the force. So, I will show picture to the first law of inertia. So, let's talk about the second law. According to Newton, second law of motion, also known as the law of force and acceleration, a force upon an object causes it to accelerate according to the formula net force. Max S, acceleration, so the acceleration of the object is directly proportional to the force and inversely proportional to the mass. And I will show again the image of the law. And the last law is the interaction is also known Newton's third law of motion, stating that each action brings an equal and opposite reaction. Force are either pushes or pull resulting from the interaction between the objects. Some interaction come from the contact while other come from the forces that act over distance, such as magnetism, electricity, or gravity. So I will show again the image of the third law of Newton. So that's all. That's the three law of motion of Isaac Newton. Thank you, ma'am.